we're asked to calculate a z-score for the numbers that we have going on up here. Okay. Actually, I should be more specific. The z-score for the home price of 200,000. That's what we need to convert. We're going to take this number 200,000. We're going to convert it to a z-score. So the formula for z-score is over here on the right side of the screen. Z is the number you're trying to test, which is 200,000, subtracted by mu, the population mean, which they tell us is 240,000, and then divide by the standard deviation, which is 16,000. So let's plug those in. Subtracted by 240,000, divided by 16,000. So we got to do the top first. Hit enter and divide by the 16,000. Negative 2.5. A z-score of 0 means it's perfectly average. Okay. A z-score of negative 2.5 means it's a below average home price. Oh, so that's for Florida. Sorry, I've done Florida so far. So you just got to do the same thing again for Ohio. The Ohio z-score, you plug everything in where it's supposed to go. $200,000 is the number we're trying to calculate a z-score for again. But we're trying to calculate a z-score for Ohio now. So the Ohio's mean is $170,000. And Ohio's standard deviation is $12,000. So we can already tell Ohio's going to be above average. This is an above average price for Ohio. So that's what z-scores do for us. Z-scores help us compare two values from different data sets. You know, if you're talking about this home price in Florida, which I think this is wrong. I think the prices in Florida are a lot less than that. The median home price in Florida had a z-score that was below Ohio, so that means this would be a below average price in Florida. It's an above average price in Ohio, but again, I don't think those are real world numbers there. So based on the z-scores, in which city would a home price of 200,000 be closer to the mean price? They're the same, okay? There's enough well, actually, sorry, this is talking about the mean. Let me think about that for a second. Yeah, this is talking about, look, it's the distance from the mean, right? Each number is subtracted by the mean, divided by the standard deviation. Which city would a home price of 200 be closer to the mean price compared to the distribution prices in the city? That's enough information. We got the z-score of for each one, and they were both the same distance away from the mean. Okay, if one had a z-score of -2 and the other one had a z-score of 3, then the z-score of -2 means that it's closer to the mean because it had a lower value in here.